Ever since the trapeze has came into my life, things have changed completely. I struggled with anxiety, back pain, balance, trying to juggle life in itself. And ever since I started getting back into yoga and trapeze, everything has only continued to incline in my life for the better. I decided to become a yoga trapeze instructor to share such a passion. I've seen how much it's done positive changes and empowerment in my life, and I just wanted to share it with the world because it's such a fun, new, exciting form of yoga. I actually never thought that I would be a business owner. It's something that I always wanted to do, but I never thought it would be teaching trapeze yoga, and here I am today. Things keep going in the right direction, and everybody's proud of me, but ultimately I am proud of myself. Family has been a huge motivation to keep me going. They are definitely what makes my heart beat. It's what makes my heart tick. I just want to say that ever since the trapeze and the yoga body team has came into my life, things keep changing for the positive. Yes, everybody has struggles in life, but it's how we choose to take them when they are put in our path. And I'm just able to balance life better. Everything in general, being a mom, being a wife, being a teacher. I'm just very thankful for Yoga Body and all the support that I've had. Thankful for my students as well, and my kids.